In this video, I'm going to share with you about changes to the Polish law regarding foreigners, which I think has been implemented on January 1st, 2025, or was supposed to be implemented on that date. If you're planning to move to Poland, or if you're already residing in Poland, it's so crucial that you watch this video to the end, as this proposal will significantly impact granting work permit for foreigners. So welcome to my channel. In case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Promise Breno and we are changing lives. We drop videos about opportunities one can use to move abroad through work or studies or through any other legit ways.
New immigration law in Poland 2025. New visa, work, study rules coming. Disclaimer. Before we begin, please note, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. The new immigration law is still a proposal, meaning changes may occur before implementation. Always check official government sources or consult an immigration lawyer for the latest updates. Big changes are coming to Poland's immigration system. A new law proposal is expected to take effect on January 1st, 2025, bringing major updates to visas, work permits, and study rules. If you're planning to move to Poland or you're already here, these changes will directly affect you. New visa rules for 2025. Let's start with the new visa rules. The Polish government is planning to introduce an upgraded online visa system, which will make applications faster and more transparent. This means shorter waiting times and a smoother process for work, student, and residence visas. However, stricter verification checks will also be introduced to prevent fraudulent applications, so make sure all your documents are in order. Major work permit changes. Now, let's talk about work permits. The biggest change in the 2025 law is that foreign workers will only be hired under an umowa o pracę, employment contract. No more umowa zlecenia for work permits. This could be good news because it provides more worker protections like paid sick leave and social security, but it also makes hiring foreigners more expensive for employers, which might reduce job opportunities. Also, the cost of applying for a work permit will increase, meaning companies will have to spend more to hire non-Polish employees. Temporary residence cards, TRC, stricter rules. There are also big changes to temporary residence permits. If you are working under an umowa zlecenia, you will no longer be eligible for a TRC. Only those with an umowa o pracę will qualify. Another major update is that work TRC applications could be rejected if authorities believe an employer is primarily hiring foreigners just to help them enter Poland. However, if you applied for a work permit before the new law is passed, your application will still be processed under the old rules. Polish citizenship and language rules. For those looking to get Polish citizenship, here's an important change. A szkoła policzalna, post-secondary school certificate, will no longer be accepted as proof of Polish language proficiency. This means applicants will need to pass a recognized Polish language exam instead. New study rules, better for students. Now, let's talk about students. Poland is introducing new flexible admission criteria for non-EU students. This means it could be easier to apply for Polish universities in 2025. Another big change is that students will be allowed to work more hours while studying. This is a great opportunity for those who want to support themselves financially while in school. However, if you plan to stay in Poland after graduation, keep in mind that companies can only hire foreign graduates under an umowa o pracę. What this means for you. To summarize, visa applications will be faster and digitalized. Work permits will require an umowa o pracę. No more TRCs for umowa zlecenia workers. Polish citizenship requirements are getting stricter. More work hours allowed for students. These changes could make Poland a more structured place for work and study, but they also bring new challenges, especially for those relying on flexible contracts. Remember, this is still a proposal, and it might change before becoming law. Always check official government sources for the latest updates. What do you think about these proposed changes? Are they good or bad for foreigners? Let's discuss in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates on Polish immigration laws. See you in the next video.